The rate function is used to figure out what the interest rate is on an existing loan, or to calculate what interest rate you would need to get if you knew what amount you were going to borrow and what payments you wanted. I'm going to begin by clicking in the answer cell, and then I'll hit my equal sign and type in rate. I'll open a parenthesis. The first thing it wants is the number of payments, so I'll click on the number of years and multiply that times the number of payments per year. I'll hit a comma. The next thing it wants is your regular payment, so I'll click on the payment amount. Notice that for this function to work, the payment amount has to be negative. I'll click a comma. The last thing it needs is the present value, which is the amount to borrow. So I'll click on that and close my parenthesis, and there's an answer. However, this is not my annual interest rate. What this is the interest rate per payment. So to get the annual interest rate, I need to go ahead and click on another cell and say equal to, and I'm going to take my rate per payment and multiply it times the number of payments per year, and that will give me my annual interest rate. And here are my formulas.